Alright, what's going on, boys and girls? So, as you can tell, this particular video is going to be about installing Cinelerra on Arch. Now, for those that want a little backstory on Cinelerra has been around since 1998, and the thing that I love about Cinelerra, the reason I started using it more is because it's specifically built for Linux on Linux, but it's also available for a bunch of different distros, even FreeBSD. So if you go to cinelerra.org/downloads, you have Ubuntu, Debian, Arch, OpenSUSE, Slackware. You have Fedora, CentOS, Mint, FreeBSD, and Gentoo. And they will give you instructions on every single one of them. Ubuntu's like your typical PPA. So let's just click on Arch. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because if you type in Cinelerra and you have the AUR enabled. Now, I'm on Endeavor. It's about as close to Arch as I care to get because I'm lazy. The Cinelerra CV, which is the community edition, goes for stability. Heroin Virtual is the company / person that, or Heroin Warrior, whatever, that puts out the code dumps I believe it's every year that Cinelerra is. You have Cinelerra GG, which is the Git at the bottom. Now, the problem with all those build options is, for me anyway, they all break. They are all bork. You run through the AUR scripts and stuff, and they are just broken. I'm too lazy to actually go through and modify all the crap and care why something doesn't work. So I just went to somebody else's trouble to deal with that. So I just went to the official site. And I went and did this. So the quick way to do this is F12. Now, I use a drop-down terminal, so, whatever. So you want to edit your pacman.conf. Yes, I use Nano. So what you want to do is take this right here and add that to your pacman.conf. Now just highlight it, hit Control C, whatever. We'll do drop down again. Now you're looking for stuff like this, your multi-libs, etc. All you have to do is hit Control Shift V, terminal, hit Control X. It'll ask you, do you want to save? Yes. Then just hit Enter, and it'll save your pacman conf. So then you just type in sudo pacman tech syu just to update your repositories, and as you can see, Cinelerra GG is up to date. Now, I've already installed Cinelerra GG, so, but I mean, if you want to, I guess, and as you can tell, I have nothing to upgrade, so. Because if I type in Cin, it'll start booting up Cinelerra. Now, this UI takes some getting used to. Now, the thing about this UI, if you actually pay attention, you have your viewer, you have your compositor, you have your timeline and your audio and all that stuff, and then you have your transitions. The thing that makes this different and hard for people to understand is, think the old 3 toolbar GIMP interface when you don't do single window mode. Basically how this works. Each one of these is an independent window. Pros and cons to that. If you have multiple monitors, you can make each monitor its own thing. So you can have one monitor that is entirely your timeline, one that is entirely your viewer, one compositor, and one that's, resources or whatever. It doesn't matter. So it's very multi-monitor driven. To me, that is the thing I love about it. Some people are going to like it, some people aren't. The thing that the GG version, the good guy version, does a bit different is that it has a lot more preferences to it as far as its looks. So like if you go to appearance, the theme is cakewalk. So we'll change this to Oh, I don't know. We'll change it to Neophyte. And we'll click apply. Now, generically, this is written in GTK. Yes, it has to restart. Now, a cool little thing that Cinelerra does, it does have a like tip of the day and tell you how to do some things. As you can tell, the theme's a little bit darker. Some of the icons are a little different in color, etc. These are more pronounced. Little things that matter. Some of the text is a little clearer. Some of the UI elements are better, but you can tweak it to an extent. So that's just a quick how to install Cinelerra on Arch. Why I kind of been looking towards more using it because of that Linux developed first mindset, and I'm a multi-monitor guy, so like this is just one monitor right now, but I wanted to show that. So you guys know what to do. Rate, subscribe. Peace out.